For this project, we're using the Something Good Watts of Love transfer. Start by placing the mesh silkscreen design on a fuzzing cloth and remove. This will soften the transfer's adhesive. Place it on your surface. Make sure it's adhered properly with no bubbles or wrinkles. Then, grab a squeegee and your Chalkology paste. We used Shimmer Gold and Bright White. Spread the paste over top and scrape away any excess as you go. Once your design is fully chalked, peel, reveal, and admire your work. You did that! Next, don't forget to take care of the tools that helped you create such a fine finished piece. Start by washing both sides of your transfer with cool water, but be sure not to let it soak. Your board eraser can help to remove any stubborn paste. Use your quick dry tool or air dry the transfer with the sticky side up, then reapply the backer sheet. With the right care, you can use these designs again and again. Elevate your everyday decor with Chalk Couture.